Anxiety does not define you. Stress is not who you are. In this guided meditation, you'll release tension, calm your mind, and return to the peaceful energy that has always been within you. If you're ready to breathe out fear and breathe in peace, let's begin. This practice is designed to help you calm racing thoughts, release worry, and reset your nervous system by aligning with peace, balance, and inner strength. Find a quiet, comfortable space. Sit or lie down. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Notice your breath as it flows in and out. Place one hand on your chest, one hand on your stomach. Inhale deeply, allowing the belly to rise. Exhale slowly, letting tension melt away. Repeat this rhythm. Inhale peace, exhale stress. Inhale calm, exhale worry. With every breath, feel your body becoming lighter. Bring awareness to your head. Release any tightness in your forehead, jaw, or neck. Let your shoulders drop, softening into the ground. Feel the relaxation moving down your arms, through your hands, all the way to your fingertips. Now allow the calm to flow into your chest, your stomach, your hips. Release any knots of anxiety. Relax your legs, your feet, your toes. Your entire body is now wrapped in calm energy. Picture yourself in a peaceful sanctuary, a calm meadow, a quiet beach, or a safe room filled with soft golden light. Feel the gentle air around you. Hear the soothing sounds of nature. This is your safe space, always available when anxiety appears. Imagine your stress as dark clouds leaving your body with every exhale. As you breathe in, golden light fills you with calm. As you breathe out, you release fear, doubt, and tension. Affirm silently, I am safe. I am calm. I am in control of my peace. I choose peace over worry. My mind is clear. My body is relaxed. Anxiety is leaving my body now. Calm energy flows through every cell of my being. I trust myself. I trust the process of life. Feel these words settling into your subconscious. This is your new baseline. Peace, balance, strength. Take one more deep breath in. Hold. And gently exhale. Bring your awareness back to your body, your room, and the present moment. Know this truth. You are not your stress. You are not your anxiety. You are the calm observer. Peace is your true nature. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this calm energy with you into the rest of your day. If this meditation brought you peace, please like, subscribe, and share to spread calmness with others. Come back to this practice anytime anxiety arises. Until next time, remember, gratitude changes everything. Peace begins within you.